day everyone, I am Micaela Itapian from BTU 10. Today I am going to teach you 5 very 10 activities. To do this activity, we're going to use a clearing bottle. Here is our clearing bottle. So now, let's teach you the first routine. In doing the exchange front flip, we need to hold the clear bottle like this and catch the clearing bottle in your other hands. Hold the clear bottle in right hand and catch in left hand. That's the exchange front flip. Again, in doing the exchange front flip, hold the clearing bottle in your right hand or in your left hand and catch the clearing bottle in your left hand or in the right hand. I'm going to demonstrate it to you again. And that is the exchange front flip. The second one is the exchange grip circle. Grip your bottle like this, and after that, do the back grip. After doing the back grip, you're going to make a circle and put the clear bottle in front of you. Again, the front grip and then back grip, make a circle and put the clear bottle in front of you and then do a front flip. Again, the front grip, back grip, make a circle and put the clear bottle in front of you and make a front flip. Again, front grip, back grip, make a circle, clear bottle in front of you and front flip. And that is the third routine is around the world bottle head. First, you need to do the front grip and then do the back grip. After doing the back grip, we're going to encircle this in our head and put the clear bottle in front of you. Again, the first step is to do the front grip. Second is to do the back grip. And the third step is you're going to encircle your clear bottle in your head and put the clear bottle in front of you. That is the first step. And the last step, which is step number 5, is you're going to make a front flip. Make a front flip. Again, front flip, back flip, in your head, in front of you, and then front flip. That is around the world battle head. The fourth one is tomahawk. In doing the tomahawk, you need to hold your clearing bottle like this and make a flip. And after that, do this, like 2 pumps. And then 1, 2. Flip your bottle, 1, 2. Flip your bottle, 1, 2. And that is the tomahawk. And the 15th is the rainbow pass. Hold your clean bottle and flip it and catch it using your left hand. Again. And that is the rainbow pass.